Okay guys, we're gonna make another mega tea today, and this time we're gonna make the loaded Hulk. So obviously it's gonna be green. So what we're gonna use to make this one is we're gonna use the lemon lime lift off from Herbalife. Guys, this is loaded with vitamin C, loaded with biotin, ginseng, ginkgo, L-arginine. It's such an amazing product all on its own. And then we're also going to use the lemon herbal tea concentrate, burns fat like crazy, loaded with antioxidants, support your immune system, makes you feel just incredible. And then also to add some pop and color, in here we're going to use the grape flavored sugar-free drink mix, and we're going to use about a third to a half of this packet. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to break up this lift off so that it dissolves just a little faster. Okay, while this is dissolving, I'm going to go ahead and mix up this topping. And I'm just gonna pinch about halfway down the packet here so that I only get part of the packet and only let some. And now I'm gonna mix up the herbal tea concentrate in a glass of its own also. Okay, so this started with some warm water, and it's to keep the colors separated the best you can. It's really important to have the glass loaded with ice. So since this is a little bit warm, I'm gonna put some big ice cubes in the bottom to cool that off faster. And pour in the rest of the layers. You want to pour this really slow over the ice to try and keep them separated a little bit.